Hello, my name's Angelo Balistreri. Welcome to this Prier PKn5. That's product knowledge in less than 5 minutes, where we take a deep dive into a particular item or series and not only go over the features and the benefits, but provide you with additional resources like the spec sheet, the IOM, that's installation, operation, and maintenance instructions, a sales flyer, even a 30-second commercial that can help promote the item at hand. Let's get to the product. This PKn5 is going to be focused on Prier's very popular Angle Sill Faucets. We have 6 different models that we'll be addressing here today. The first is going to be our 155. This is a handle operated valve. No plastic, only metal offered here at Prier. Then we move to a 255. A 255 gets rid of the handle and it gives you an elongated spout to hide and protect your operating stem, and it comes with a loose key which will be lassoed to your product right out of the box to hopefully prevent it getting thrown away with the box. And then the last product is our 355, which is going to give you a combo. It comes with a handle, a loose key, for the end user to choose which one they prefer. Now with the 155, 255, and the 355, these come with an ASSE 1011 code check. This means it comes with one backflow preventer. If you want a ASSE 1052, we upgrade to a 165, 265, and a 365. And the only difference is we add an additional backflow check into the spout. So instead of making your vacuum breaker longer, Prier keeps it simple, and we insert a neopearl as an additional check to keep the code compliance. With this code compliance, you're going to have a rating of 125 psi, and you can handle up to temperatures of 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, a couple things that people really like about the Prier Angle Sill Faucets is first, heavy duty casting in the head itself. We are all brass on this product. Your flange is integral and it's larger than anybody else's in the industry. Now, why does that matter? Well, if the tile guy doesn't do such a good job, it helps cover up some of those sins. If you're removing an old one and maybe there's paint all around, this will actually keep this covered and make a nice, clean, aesthetic look. On the installer side, they're going to like it because now those enclosed screw holes are on the outside wide enough that allows them to run a quick drill to make installation a breeze. For inlets, we got everything you could possibly imagine, from thread and sweat, from 1/2 inch to 3/4. We also provide you with additional options to upgrade from our metal handle to our soft grip rubber handle as an overmold to give that soft grip. The last thing you're going to notice is there is a difference in finish. We do offer a nickel plated, is a standard for us, and we also offer a polished chrome. These valves are available today with an additional box should you want to recess it into the wall. We have a BX1, which is a satin nickel brass box, and we offer a BX2, which is a rough brass, which allows you to recess the valve into the wall and have a door that is going to seal everything up. So a lot of great things with Prier's Angle Sill Faucets. Now that's a lot of information coming at you all at once, and you may ask yourself, what do you want me to do? We'd ask you to share it. Take this information and pass it along to your customers so they can learn about this product from Prier. Thank you for joining us on this PKn5.